1,000 Reasons to Love Argentina, because in Barrio Saavedra you can still see evidence of the Peronist dream of a worker's paradise. In 1949, Peronismo's heavy hitters came here, Juan Peron, Evita, and Campora, and they gathered here to inaugurate this compact neighborhood of one-story, California-style chalets. It was all part of Peron's first 5-year plan, which included perhaps Argentina's most ambitious state-led housing project. And there were two architectural approaches that defined that plan. One was the modernist rationalist style of monoblock apartments like 17 de Octubre and Los Parales. The other was the picturesque garden city style as seen here in what was formerly called Barrio Peron. This neighborhood was a forerunner of the much more ambitious but architecturally similar Ciudad Evita, built only a few years later. Both projects drew inspiration from Europe's garden city movement pioneered by English planner Ebenezer Howard. He envisioned satellite towns around an urban area, combining the best of rural and urban living. Barrio Saavedra still shows classic garden city features. Most radical of all, these homes were originally built for workers and single mothers. Ironically, that egalitarian vision has shifted, and these homes now sell for sums far beyond the reach of most Argentines. And new construction with garden city ideals, well, you only see that north of the city in those wealthy communities like Nordelta. I'm in the final edits of this video, and I needed something to pull it together. So here it is. What I like looking about these public policy projects from generations ago is what they look like today. This video shows a massive state plan from the 1940s in action. It was controversial then, it's still debated today, yet the question remains, was Peron's state housing project from the 1940s, was it a success? In this case, you have an architecturally elegant worker housing that became expensive and elite. For those families that were able to hold on to these houses from the 1950s, well, they went from the working class to the comfortable class in just a couple of generations. They created extraordinary generational wealth. Is that economic development? Is this a success? That is the question.